In today's video, I'm going to teach you the ClickUp Brain features. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the AI panel, using Ask for quick generation and insights, and setting up agents to automate repetitive work so projects move forward with less manual effort. First, open your browser and go to app.clickup.com. Sign into your workspace the way you normally do. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before moving on. Since the AI and brain features draw from the context you have access to. Once you're in, give the page a moment to fully load so the sidebars and icons render correctly. Now, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where you'll find the AI or brain icon. Click that to open the dedicated panel. It may be labeled slightly differently depending on your plan and the interface version, but it will clearly reference AI or brain. When the panel opens, you'll notice an area dedicated to writing and content generation. To start creating, find the small right icon next to the AI name on the left and click it. This opens a composer where you can type prompts, ask questions, and trigger the built-in tools that come with ClickUp Brain. Within this panel, you have two main paths to generate value: Ask and Agent. Think of Ask as your on-the-spot assistant for ideas, answers, and summaries. It's great when you want something quickly, right inside your current workflow. If you want to write a question directly, place your cursor in the input box and be as clear as possible about what you need. You can ask for help drafting content, outlining steps, or clarifying a process. The more context you include, like task names or project goals, the better the response will be. If you prefer a guided approach, you can also click options like brainstorm ideas, create task, find tasks, or summarize tasks. These shortcuts give you structured prompts that save time and help you discover what's possible. Brainstorm ideas is perfect when you're staring at a blank page. Add a brief description of your goal, and the AI will suggest directions you can refine. If you choose Create Task, the AI will help you convert a thought into an actionable item. You can describe the task in natural language, and it will turn that into a clear title with details that you can tweak before saving. Find Tasks is useful when your workspace is crowded. Type a keyword, and the AI will surface tasks that match your focus so you don't have to dig through lists. Summarize Tasks comes in handy when you need a quick, high-level overview of what's going on. You can point it to a task or a set of tasks, and it will condense the key points, decisions, and next steps. As a best practice, scan the output and refine it to match your voice or company standards before sharing. If you're ready to go beyond one-off prompts and instead want repeatable, automated help, switch to Agent. ClickUp AI agents are designed to help you automate repetitive work, respond faster, and keep projects moving with less manual effort. Start by choosing an agent that aligns with the kind of support you need. This is the alignment phase, where you decide which agent fits your vision best. Consider what problem you're solving. Do you want help drafting updates, triaging tasks, or preparing summaries? Choose the agent that matches that outcome so you don't have to reinvent your process every time. Next comes personalization. Here, you define how the agent should handle the task. Set the tone, level of detail, and any constraints the agent should follow so outputs are consistent and useful. You'll also choose where the task should actually run. That might be a particular space, folder, or list where the agent should focus its attention. This scoping step is important because it keeps the agent working on the right information and prevents clutter elsewhere. Finally, decide how you want the agent to handle situations, especially when context is missing or decisions are ambiguous. For instance, you can direct it to ask for clarification or default to a specific behavior. Once these preferences are saved, your agent is ready and you can put it to work within your existing workflows. A few tips will help you get the most out of both Ask and Agent. Be explicit about the outcome you want. If you need a bulleted draft, a concise paragraph, or a priority ordered list of tasks, say so. Reference task names or links when asking to summarize or find items so the AI anchors on the correct content. Keep your prompts short but descriptive. Instead of pasting entire documents, describe what you need, summarized and where it lives. And always review AI-generated content before publishing or assigning it, especially in shared spaces. The goal is to save time while staying accurate and on brand. When deciding between Ask and Agent, think about frequency and consistency. If this is a one-time request or you need a quick idea, use Ask. If you need the same kind of help again and again, set up an agent so you get reliable, repeatable assistance with minimal effort. Over time, you can refine your agent settings to better match your voice and your team's workflow, which often leads to better results with less rework. As you experiment, remember that your access and results depend on your workspace permissions and plan. If something you expect to see isn't visible, it may be restricted or turned off by an admin. And never include sensitive information in your prompts. Keep anything personal, confidential, or proprietary out of the AI input box. That's it. You've opened ClickUp, found the AI Brain panel in the left sidebar, click the right icon to start generating, explored. Ask for quick prompts and built-in tools like brainstorming, creating tasks, finding tasks, and summarizing. And you've learned how to align and personalize an agent so it's ready to automate your repetitive work. If you found this ClickUp Brain Features tutorial helpful, like this video, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below, telling us which AI feature you plan to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.